In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contact data in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull a clean list of contacts you can use for reporting, backups, or importing into other tools. I'll walk you through each click and share a few quick tips so you can avoid common pitfalls and save time. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to your GoHighLevel dashboard. Make sure you're viewing the correct account or location where your contacts are stored, especially if you manage multiple brands or clients. Give the page a second to fully load so all your contact records and controls are available. If your browser has extensions that modify pages, consider switching them off for this session to keep the interface simple and predictable. Next, go to the Contacts area. You'll usually find it in the main navigation on the left side. This page is where all of your people, leads, customers, and prospects are listed. Before exporting, it's a good idea to narrow the list to exactly what you need. Use the search bar to find specific names or emails, and apply filters like tags, pipelines, or last activity to focus on a targeted group. This keeps your export lean and easier to analyze later. Now select the contacts you want to export. Click the checkbox beside each contact's name. If you want everything that's currently visible, use the checkbox at the top of the table to select all on the page. Double-check your selection to ensure you're only exporting what's relevant. If you've filtered the list, your checkboxes will reflect that filtered view, which is perfect for exporting just a segment. Once your contacts are selected, look to the top of the page for the Export option and click it. You'll see an export action appear. Click Export again to confirm. This two-click flow helps prevent accidental downloads. After confirming, the system will prepare your file. Depending on your settings and browser, the file may start downloading right away as a CSV, or you might see a brief notification while the export is generated. When the file is ready, open it in your preferred spreadsheet tool, like Google Sheets or Excel, to review the columns and verify the data looks correct. Store the CSV in a secure folder with a clear name and date for easy reference. Remember to handle contact data responsibly and follow your organization's privacy guidelines. That's it. Open Chrome, head to Contacts, select your records, click Export, and confirm. If this was helpful, follow the same process anytime you need a fresh list for campaigns, audits, or migrations. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.